Salamat. Ano anak? Pakilala mo sa ano dito. Sige.
Sorry po. Sorry.
Kamusta yung lakad mo? Tagal mo nawala eh. May mga pictures na wala siya. And then later on, he came back. Sabi na, okay na, meron nang gumagawa ng story. So, sa akin is the capacity to give of yourself. I didn't know I had a lot to give. But because I loved him so much, I could stay up for how many days na walang tulog just so I would be beside him when he called. No? So, yung capacity mo, that's just one, no? But isa-sacrifice mo lahat. So, your loved one would have something. If I could even give him my life, I would have done that. Even at the early part of our marriage, he was so nationalistic. And I think there are lots of people like that also. But because he was after, siya na